Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin, and today I am unboxing a mystery box from Melt Cosmetics. This is the smaller $25 box. They did offer a $75 box, and I believe it's still available if you're interested, but I just got the $25 box for this time around. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, keep on watching. Before we get too far into the video, if you have not yet, click that subscribe button. I upload new videos 2 times a week on Wednesdays and Sundays, and it is totally free to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, go ahead and click the like button on this video. It really helps out my channel and the videos in the YouTube algorithm. So let's go ahead and get into it and see what I got. All right, now I'm gonna pull out a couple things that I ordered besides the mystery box because they put it all together, all right? So I ordered this, the Millennial Pinks palette, because it was on sale for $25. So hopefully I don't get a double, right? Yeah, so that was on sale, so I got that separately, not as a part of the mystery box. I've watched a couple other people open these boxes. Bad to the Brow got the She's in Parties palette in the small mystery box. And then I also watched Amy's Makeup Corner, I think, of her channel, or Amy Loves Makeup. And she got the Blueprint palette in her smaller mystery box from Mel. So I hope I get the She's in Parties and not the Blueprint and not a double. We'll see. It would be nice, you know, we'll see if they realize, like, you know, maybe if they're packing it together, they realize I already bought that separately, so they don't give me 2, but we will see what they did. And then I also ordered this separately. This is the Electra Blush Light. They were on sale as well, I think for $10. There she is. And yeah, it's just like a powder blush. And this one's got kind of like a purpley pinky tint to it. So I just got that to try out on my own since it was on sale on the site. No point in paying shipping for more than one thing if I'm already placing an order, right? So now let's see what I got in the actual mystery box here, okay? So first up, we've got here in a little baggie, nice little Melt butterfly sticker. I'm guessing this is from the new Amore, however you say it, collection. And then we've got 2, looks like, yeah, both lip liners here in slightly different shades. One's in shade Foxy and one's in shade Headbang. They're both kind of brown colors, which I love a brown lip. I love a nude brown lip. Or whether it's cool tone, warm tone, or neutral, I like them all. So I will definitely use those. I have never used Melt Cosmetics lip liner formula. I mean, let me say this. I've never used most things from Melt Cosmetics. I have made 2 purchases. I have one of their like B little blush duo things, and then I have the 420 palette. That's it. That's all I've ever gotten from them. So couple lip liners, love to have those. And then let's see what else we got in here. Again, this was $25 for all of this. Okay, looks like I got another one of the blush lights, and this one's in Ghost Light. This one is one I saw Amy Loves Makeup open, and it's really fair. One of them she said had a green tinge, and I'm not sure if this is one or not, so I'm not gonna swatch it, but I'm gonna research and look into that a little bit more. I know this was $10 on sale. I don't know what it normally is, but hopefully this all adds up, I think, to at least $25, even with the like sale going on. Now I did get one of their digital liquid highlights, but again, like Amy, I think they sent me a shade that's gonna be much too dark. Now she mentioned that some brands do like a, are you light, fair, medium, deep skin tone? And I wish they would have done that, because I mean, look at this. I'm not gonna be able to use this as a highlight. So as she mentioned, like she could test out the formula, and maybe if it's not too shimmery, it could be a bronzer, but I'm not sure what I can do with this. So I'll have to play around with it since it is designed to be a liquid highlight, and I'm certainly not the shade, so that's kind of disappointing. Just saying. We also have, a little nude lipstick in Tease. This is an ultra matte lipstick, and it's like a little baby size. Wow, can I get the box open here? Here it is, little baby size. The shade's Tease. Oh, that's really nice. And I love the embossing, the Melt Cosmetics that they have in here. Hopefully you guys can see it in the lipstick. That's really neat. and I definitely will use that shade. So that is a win. It's got an interesting scent to it. And then there's one more item. It's a palette, as expected. Fortunately, it's not the She's in Parties. It is the Blueprint. So let's check it out. Maybe in person it'll look way better. I know this was originally a stack that they had in 2013. It even says so right on here, but they redid it into a palette. Reason being I didn't want this as much is just because if you've watched my channel a while, you know I'm not a huge blue eyeshadow person. I will say the palette is really, really nice. I like this like electric shimmery metallic blue cover. Interesting. Okay. There it is. I honestly don't hate it as much in person, I will say. I would try this. I think I would keep this and try this because I do okay with like the shimmery, light shimmery blue if I pair it with like a darker brown matte. And I do really like using dark navy blue mattes as liner, I have found. So I think I could actually get down with this. And these palettes are normally like, I don't know, 48 bucks or something like that. So even I knew just to get a palette period would pay for the box in itself. And I knew that those were the two palettes I had seen people get and that I didn't have either one of them. So I'm mostly happy that they didn't give me two Millennial Pinks because that would have irritated me. So I'm kind of irritated they gave me a deep one too and didn't like give us a choice, but try to make it work. But that's the box. There's not a ton in it, but you get a palette, liquid highlight, a blush light, a mini lipstick, and 2 lip liners. I feel like that's definitely $25 worth. What do you guys think? Especially for Melt, which is not cheap, affordable drugstore in any sense of the word. It's more, you know, indie, expensive, high-end, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I think I'm happy with this for $25. I know this is just a quick little short video, but I want to share with you guys what I got in the box and hear your comments down below. That's all for today, guys. I hope to see you again on the next one, and yeah, have a great rest of your day.